welcome to the Arcus Help channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at the data storage service. With this service, you can use the Arcus UI to create a storage solution in your cloud provider, such as an S3 bucket in an Amazon cloud or a blob storage in an Azure cloud. To do so, click the Add button next to Storage under the Cloud Services section of the main menu. If you don't see this button, you may not have the correct permissions, so in that case, please reach out to your project or team manager or the Arcus support team for more help. Onto the builder, select a cloud and give your storage service a name. Next, you can determine the sharing settings. These are visible to you, the owning user, visible to the owning user and members of the owning project, and writable by the owning user and by members of the owning project. Let's go with option 3. Beneath those options, you'll see a checkbox to make this storage service the default for Express users in this project. And further down, you'll see a checkbox to disable virus and malware scanning on uploaded files. By default, this box will be grayed out and unusable. That said, if your team has a very specific use case involving malware, please get in touch with the Arcus support team, and we can disable virus and malware scanning for that specific team. Back to the storage service, click Save. And once you have your storage service, you'll be able to upload content to it by selecting the Upload button in the center of the screen, or if you already have files in your storage service, selecting the smaller Upload icon over to the right. From here, you can either choose the file from your local machine or just drag and drop it in. To download a file from your storage service, select the file, and then click this Download button here. Depending on the size of the file, you'll be able to download it from the browser, or a link to download the asset will be sent to the email address registered to your Arcus account. If you need to make any changes to your storage service settings, or if you want to delete the storage service outright, select these 3 dots here on the right. These will give you the option to either edit or delete the storage service. If you have any questions or if you would like to learn more, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. These will take you to our support page, our help site, and our YouTube channel. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.